Hi everyone, here we are at the Newport Beach International Boat Show. I'm Kurt with Cycles Unplugged. I'm here with my partner Alan of Daytripper Bikes. This is our booth at the boat show. We've had a wonderful weekend, lots of traffic, lots of action, lots of exciting people to talk to, and made some new friends. I'm going to take you on a little somewhat guided tour of the boat show, and hopefully you'll enjoy it.
And it's funny because they were saying you have all the knowledge you need. I was like, no, we got all the pieces of paper we need.
Yeah,
that's
exactly. But yeah, good luck to you.
Hey, thank you so much. Good luck to you too. Have a good show.
Here are my friends at Costa Del Mar Sunglasses. Hi, Tom.
Hey, good morning.
You're getting videotaped.
Thank you.
This will be an abbreviated tour because the show is actually very big. So I'm going to take you on a quick excursion here and then wrap it up because I've got work to do at the boat show. It's been beautiful these past 3 days. It looks like today's going to be the warmest of all because the marine layer is already burned off and it's only about I think 10:30 local time. So good morning.
I know there's one guy.
Coming up is a boat I love. I'll have to see if I can get it captured here. It's a Starcraft, twin 450 horsepower motors on the back. That's quite the showpiece. Here is a bay cruiser. It's like a Duffy boat on steroids. Duffy boat is, of course, here. Duffy boat was invented and founded here in Newport Beach, California. Some of the motor yachts on display here to the left. Cracker from Newport Beach. Come up here, a couple of boats whose names I love. Here's the penultimate, and next to it,
Here's Tony Fleming.
oh, the Tony Fleming.
Yeah.
Is that a boat of Fleming?
Yeah.
Oh wow. So this is a Fleming boat that my business partner is very intimately familiar with. In fact, he sells apparel for Fleming yachts. And the gentleman who builds these ships is, which one?
Sitting right there in the black jacket.
In the black jacket right
I'm gonna
there.
go say hi. I'll see you in a minute.
Okay, very good. This is a Fleming yacht. That's a beautiful boat. And my business partner there in the blue t-shirt is going to say hi to Mr. Fleming. So I will keep going on my guided tour here. Here is the one of my favorite names this year, the Bull Ship from San Diego. That beautiful motor yacht. Here's the not 007. I like when people get creative with their ship names. Here's Blessed, another boat from Newport Beach, California. Oh wow, this thing's got a cruise. Mag Bay Yachts. Here's a 43 center console with not one, not two, not three, but 4 outboard motors. Crazy. That is amazing. That's one hell of a fishing boat. Sea La Vie. Another massive cruise ship, cruise yacht.
Yeah.
And here's the what appears to be caviar.
Good, good.
I don't profess to know a whole lot about boating or yachting or big sailboating. I will try to make my way over to the big sailboats, which are off to my starboard side. I do know port and starboard, that's about it. I'm not going to make my way down there, but there are quite a few more yachts down that way.
Oh, really? That's why you know this? Well, no, I mean, I only see 3 of them like you. Oh, yeah? I don't even know where to work. That's there in the port. Oh, okay. So they work like 2 days or something like that.
Unplugged. Wow, this is a beautiful boat off here to the left. I'm going to make a little excursion in that direction. Wow. Denizen Yachting. Look at that. Look at that yacht, ladies and gentlemen. Isn't that gorgeous? See if I can get a little closer here.
All right, everyone, it's the last day of the Newport Beach International Boat Show. We are here at the desk at 10.
That is gorgeous. Wow.
Very spectacular. We'll have a chance to show you the CME, and I'll show you the Siemens 600.
Good morning, sir.
It is a 2022 Sunseeker 65 sport yacht. I guess affectionately called the 22. It is available for just under $3 million.
Her friend came with her.
That's a McLaren orange paint job for just $300,000 at the factory. Where's the McLaren sports car go?
It doesn't fit, but it's
all gonna be here.
Yeah.
Because I was here and you were
Oops.
with her.
Okay.
You need to ask who was here before.
That is something. There's a couple of tall sailing vessels down here. My business partner Alan says that the real draw in sailing is catamarans, and there are a bunch here. Look at this one. Man, that's got a wide beam. 2024 XS14. Wow, this whole thing can be yours for a scant $1.1 million. beautiful. "46 feet long, give or take." And there's another sizable. Look at the mast on these things. That goes way up there. And so does the one next to it. Another Denizen boat. Let's see what this one. Oh, this one's a bargain. It's one of the cheapest boats I've seen here. This one is only $688,000. Only. Not bad. Oh, that's beautiful. In another life, in another life, maybe something like that would be mine. It's still nice to dream and admire. Yeah, another really big. This one's 1.3 million. Another Denizen product. Alan was right. There are a lot of get my shadow out of the way so you can see better. There are a lot of catamarans here this year. So, I can see the appeal. You get a much bigger, quote unquote living area on a catamaran than you do on a conventional sailing boat.
So you have to have service set up?
Yeah, you gotta have
If
service.
you flash them something, they'll serve you. That's all it is. It's like, so I know my kids in there.
I'll be back to put my deposit down on this. That is a beautiful, I love the color.
My favorite.
It's unique. Yeah. It
And
is.
also inside too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It doesn't feel like you're in a boat. It's
Uh-huh.
very solid. You know when you walk sometimes on
Yeah.
flats, you
Yeah.
feel like it's cracking or something.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
You don't feel that.
Yeah, I can tell it's a
Very solid.
yeah, it's wow. Like I said in the earlier part of my video, in another life, I might be able to have this. Not that.
It's
Oh, really?
It's like a car.
It does actually. Oh, you mean all the way upstairs?
All the way up.
Yeah. Wow.
You should check it out.
I will later. I'm shooting this morning, and then I got to go tend to my own booth. So, thank you very much. Probably should have taken her up on that offer because there's nobody here. I would have exclusive view of it. You know what? Maybe I will. Why not? Let me see if I can limp my way up.
Okay, see you then. Great.
I decided to take you up on your offer. Shoes off? And just do a quick video tour. Your sandwich looks great.
Thank you. Now that it's
Sorry to
not
keep
crowded.
interrupting you. So shoes off? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's not crowded. You're gonna get.
I understand. Yep.
I think it's hard to see that.
So we have boarded. I'm going to have some fun getting down these steps. I'll probably pause my video so that I can tend to my wounded limb. Wow. Look at this, folks. This is beautiful. If I don't get in any other boat today, it will be this one that definitely makes the boarding worth it. Wow. I can't believe it's almost ironic to me that this is only a $3 million yacht. It doesn't feel like it. God, look at the stairs going downward. That's a lot of stairs. See if I can get down there without injuring myself. Good God. Here's the aft stateroom. Wow. Nice little office area. Nice big flat screen television. Very sizable bath and shower. Wow. This is nicer than my own bath and shower. That's not saying much. I think I could live on this without any hesitation. Forward stateroom. Oh, here's the kids' bunk. Actually, you can fit adults in here. It's plenty big. And it looks like they have their own bathroom too. Sweet. And here, I guess, would be the master. It's still a queen-size bed, but man, is this gorgeous. Wow. Wow. Yep, really nice. I'm thinking the aft room is the master. Everything here is quite a bit smaller, so the master is the one in the aft, the one that I took you down there first. Yep, because that's got a whole office area that no other room obviously has. So that is something. I will go up to the car-like upper deck. Here's where you can sit and be clear of the elements. Alright, well, when I come down, I will be turning video off so that I can make it down these stairs. I may not go all the way up. Oh my God, she's right. It is like a sports car up here. Wow. Complete with big lounging seat and all the necessary boating guidance and navigation instrumentation. But look at that. It looks like a McLaren sports car up front. That is something. Very cool. Hello, Newport Harbor. Very nice. Now let's see if I can get my wounded body back down these stairs. I don't have any trouble when I'm on my bike and sending you videos or making videos for you on my bikes. I only have trouble when I have to walk right now. So it's hard to leave this thing. It's so beautiful. But I hope you enjoyed that. I sure did. Well, back to reality. I'm going to hit the pause button while I navigate these stairs. Be right back. Anyway, I'm down. I'm safely off the boat. That was gorgeous. Those are not easy steps to negotiate, even with a healthy knee. They're pretty high, pretty tall. I would imagine that for the average ocean goer, you'd have to really make sure people take care to go up and down those steps because they're taller than normal steps. So anyway, that was fun. That was worth it. I hope it was worth it to my viewers. How about a yacht with a helicopter on top? That's what we're coming up on. Take a pan down here. Bunch of some of these I think I've already collected in my video.
Hi.
Hello. Yeah, see, this boat has a yacht. This yacht has a nice, good-sized toy hauler here. You could fit several of our bikes below on that thing, along with your jet skis and so forth. No problem. Don't even need to fold our bikes to get them in there. So, yep. So there you go. Complete with helicopter on top. I'm going to go around the other side and shoot not into Mr. Sun. Light Star from Eugene, Oregon. Looks like an older yacht. Light Star is going for, apparently it's going for, if you have to ask. Oh, there we go. 9.75 million. Not bad. It's 143 feet. And was built in 1984. It looks like it was refurbished in 2008. Maybe I can get close enough to that sign that you can read that, or not. But anyway, that's quite the ship. That's a ship and a half. Well, I have to turn around here pretty soon because I got to go and help my partner. Pergola from Marina del Rey is a lovely looking ship. Yeah. You can sell that to me for $1. God, look at that Light Star. That is a big yacht. Wow. Wonder who owns that. Anyway, I am going to beat feet back to the our exhibition booth and start doing my job. I hope you enjoyed this. Beautiful day in Newport Beach, California, in the Lido Marina, and it's Sunday, April 21st, 2024. I'll keep the video going in case I see something cool, and if I do, I'll speak up again.
Right. It looked cool. Yeah. Look like you know you're done. So they teach you a little bit about
Sun Country Marine Group seems to have the biggest presence here. Only people that have essentially their own pavilion. Hopefully I'm not headed to a dead end.
check out this one more, okay?
I'm going to have to get on land to get off and get back to my destination. Oh, a couple of them sold here. Morning. I think I actually have a way back. Very good. My round trip was successful.
Is that kind of like a Duffy?
Y'all do a lot of customization.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a card for that.
Get some rest and out, and then
I'll take this Absolute 50. Another beautiful yacht. And I'm coming back up on Daytripper Bikes and our Gocycle, which I will serve as the final feature of this video. That is the Gocycle G4i, much like the G4i Plus that I personally own. Been a lot of interest, not a lot of bites, but people definitely get why we're here and why this bike would be highly suitable for yachting. So, well, I'm getting drowned out by the Blue Yacht stereo system, so I will say goodbye and you fade out with their music. Thank you guys, and have a great day.